Hey guys, welcome to It's a Party. I'm Nate.
And can I start you off with a cocktail?
May I start you off with a cocktail?
In this video, I'm gonna show you a really cool hack, trick, cheat on a mojito.
Mojito.
We're gonna start with some limes. Make sure you roll your lime and cut it into quarters. Now we're gonna talk about mint. Now I got a spearmint plant. Someone told me on Reddit that all mint we buy is spearmint or some variation, unless it's specific to peppermint. But we're gonna pick some fresh mint. I'm using spearmint because it's awesome. So we're gonna throw our limes and our mint into a cup. Now you notice I'm not using any sugar. I'm gonna muddle this up. Traditionally you use sugar at this point, but I'm not using sugar. We'll get to the cheat later. Now we're gonna add some rum, we're gonna add some ice, we're gonna add a little bit of Sprite. Here's the cheat. Now the Sprite is where we're gonna get all of our sweetness and some bubbles. Super quick, super easy. Add the Sprite, mix it up, and there you go, my friends. Garnish with some mint, and you're all finished. That's a super quick cocktail, and get rid of the straw, because who needs straws? This is a really delicious drink. It's really quick, really easy. So at your next party, be sure to have a little delicious beverage for everyone around and don't work too hard and have fun. I hope you guys love that video. If you want this recipe, then you should just go back and watch the video. It's like 5 ingredients. If you're on YouTube, be sure to click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. If you're on Facebook, find your way over to our fan page. Click the like button and show some love. Leave us a comment if there's something in particular that you would like us to teach you how to make, or just give us a recommendation for a future video. I'm Nate, and I'll see you guys in the next video.